Once you have selected your fixtures, you can turn on their intensity very quickly using the keypad. In fact, you do not have to press the please key to turn fixtures on. For example, type in 1 through 10 full. That will instantly snap the fixtures to full intensity. You can also use the at key to specify the intensity. For example, 1 through 10 at 50, please. This puts the fixtures at 50%. You can continue pressing the at key to get different percentages if you wish to. For example, at 60%, please. At 70, please. The at key can also be used to shortcut to a value called at normal. The default for at normal is 100%. So if you select fixtures or channels and press at, they will go to 100%. You can define this by going to Setup, under the User tab, Settings, at normal percent. As I have now set it to 80%, when I press at, the fixtures go to 80%. Another shortcut is to press the point or dot key twice. This puts the fixtures at 0%. You can also use the plus and minus key to add or take away 10%. Double tap the plus key to add 10%. Double tap the minus key to remove 10%. You can also use the level wheel at any time to increase or decrease intensity of selected fixtures. Lastly, you can use the through key to create a range of values. For example, 1 through 10 at 25 through 100, please. This puts the first fixture at 25% and the last fixture at 100% and all the other fixtures evenly spread between the two. We can do this in reverse if we wish to. For example, 1 through 10 at full through 0. Fixture 1 is at full, fixture 10 is at 0. We can get more complicated and use multiple through keys. For example, fixture 1 through 10 at full through 0 through full. This puts fixture 1 at full, through to 5 and 6 at 0, through to 10 at full. Lastly, you can control your dimmer intensity by using the first of the 4 encoders under screen 2. You'll see here dimmer is highlighted, and you can turn the encoder here to increase or decrease intensity.